Everybody, my name is thejjordan. We're doing a song for the people in the chat. You know, sometimes we just gotta come over here and give y'all the talking part before we get into it. Yeah. I'm seeing the people in the chat today. I'm showing love my way. I'm over here, you know I'm over here, so what you say? Calling me the J. Oh yes, I'm getting up. But let me tell your people, yes, I'm about to cut it up. Say, hey, I'm seeing the 6-0 is back up in my chat. Showing love from over here to end, I'm liking that. I put your name on the song because I'm showing love. Some other people saying that Jay just giving virtual hugs. I see you over there just rocking and you rock your thing. You got your videos, you over there, you doing your thing. You doing your thing today, some people saying you grinding hard. I'm over here today like I was looking in the dark. Let's go. Talking about that 6-0 is back. So yes, I'm over here today. Oh yes, I'm liking that. I'm over here, I'm saying your things that is in the chat. Some people telling me, oh yes, I'm about to bring it back. With it. Do you even know my name, dog? Do you even want to hear some more? Do you even hear my name, dog? Do you even want to bring some more? Hey. Thank you everybody for coming in. Lynn's Life Lesson. Buddha Destiny Namaste's in the building. Reverend Terminator's in the building. Robert Gannis in the building. Cheeky Baby's in the building. That's it, y'all. What's the second one? So now I'm coming over here, I want to show some love. Oh yes, I'm over here, you know I want to show some love. I put your name but in the chat because I'm liking that. You liking me, then everybody says I'm liking that. I'm over here today, I see that you grinding hard. Some people looking over there say that, oh my gosh. They saying that, oh my gosh, I'm over here, I'm riding with you. Some people telling me, oh yes, you about to get that picture. I say, what's up now? When I say we going down, we got the people in the chat, we showing love now. We vibing up and down, we up in your town. Some people telling me, say, Jay, you need to settle down. Say what? But now I'm saying it nicer for my people. My people, so we hear they saying, oh yes, I love my people. The people love me back, that's why I'm gonna say your name. Call me Jay today when I put it in this game. Yay! Thank you everybody for coming in. 6-0 is back. Buddha Destiny Namaste. Lynn's Life Lesson. You know we appreciate everybody coming in. Little Chicken is in the building. Let's go to another song, y'all.